What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. It's your boy Kings, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to do a YouTube video without showing your face and without using your voice.
In today's video I'm going to share with you guys the signs that shows you're studying the wrong course in the university.
So I've been getting a lot of questions in my DM on people who say they are shy on doing videos with their face, and people who say that their voice sucks and they can't use it to do videos. So they are looking for another means to do videos on YouTube and still do it perfectly without using their face and their voice. So in this video I got you covered on this topic. So, and if you watch to the end in this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip on the best niche you can do without even looking for a voiceover or doing anything serious in that particular niche. So this niche I'm going to share with you guys is one of the easiest niche on YouTube. Many people delve into this niche because of how easy it is to get views, subscribers, and even comments. People will relate with your videos and everything is going to be cool for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm seriously going to share this information with you. So keep watching guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So the first step you need to take in order to make a good YouTube video without using your face and your voice is writing down your script.
Flathead Lake in Montana is the clearest water on Earth. As in, very clear that if you are above the water from any angle, you will literally see what's in the bottom of the water. Like nothing is hidden, everything about the water is almost unbelievable. The water is too clear. Flathead Lake in Montana is the clearest water on Earth. As in, very clear that if you are above the water from any angle, you will literally see what's in the bottom of the water. Like nothing is hidden, everything about the water is almost unbelievable. The water is too clear.
The moment he thought he locked her out.
It's rain and tacos. Fly out of the sky. Tacos.